A combined team of Commando Imphal East unit under the command of Additional SP Operations Imphal East Roni Mayengbam, led by Imphal East Commando OC Inspector KH Henry, under the overall supervision of Imphal East District SP N Herojit Maitei, arrested one active member of the proscribed outfit Prepak Pro while conducting mobile frisking and checking at northern side of the Korengai Bridge at around 3:35 p.m. yesterday. The arrested person has been identified as 20 years old Nongthobam Abung Maitei alias Nongdamba, son of N. Nandakumar Maitei of Nongpok Sanjemang Kulen, Imphal East District. Addressing media persons at Imphal East SP Conference Hall, SP N. Herojit said that from the arrestee stated that he came to Manipuri Korengai area to look for the opportune place to plant an IED to attack security force, particularly Indian Army. On further examinations, it came to learn that the arrestee kept concealed two numbers of IEDs at the foothills of Tumbiching, Nongpok Sanjembam, which he bought from More. Immediately, a combined team of Imphal East Commando and a column of 15 Assam Rifles along with the arrestee rushed to the said foothill, and on the pointing of the arrestee recovered 2 RDX keg, each weighing 150 grams approximately, 2 RC receiver circuit board, 2 electric detonator number 33, 29-volt battery Panasonic, and a 1 remote control device, and seized at the same time at 5:10 p.m. from the spot, that is foothill of Tumbiching, Nongpok Sanjembam. The arrested persons along with seized item had been handed over the Haingang police stations for taking up further necessary legal actions against him, the SP added.